Photos hold precious memories, so transferring them safely when upgrading your Redmi is key. In this video, we'll show 5 easy ways to move photos from Redmi to Redmi, highlighting each method's steps and drawbacks. Way 1. How to transfer photos from Redmi to Redmi via MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. A reliable cross-platform transfer experience is offered by MobiKin Transfer for Mobile, Windows, Mac, especially when moving photos from Redmi to Redmi without quality loss. How-tos. Install MobiKin Transfer for Mobile on your computer. Connect both Redmi phones via USB and enable USB debugging. Confirm source and destination. Select photos and click Start Copy. Keep phones connected until the transfer finishes, then check the new phone's gallery. Way 2. How to transfer photos from old Redmi to new Redmi with Mi Mover. Install Mi Mover on both Redmi phones. New phone: I'm a receiver, show QR code. Old phone: I'm a sender, scan QR. Select photos, send. Keep phones close until done, then check the gallery. Way 3. How to copy photos from Redmi to Redmi via ShareMe. Install ShareMe on both Redmi phones. Receiving phone: receive. Sending phone: send. Select photos, choose pictures, and tap send. Select the receiving device, accept the connection, and keep phones close until the transfer finishes. Way 4. How to move photos from Redmi to Redmi using InShare. Install InShare on both Redmi phones. Receiving phone: receive. Sending phone: send. Select photos, choose pictures, and tap send. Select the receiving device, accept the transfer, and keep phones close until done. Way 5. How to transfer pictures from Redmi to Redmi via LocalSend. Install LocalSend on both Redmi phones. Receiving phone: stay on receive. Sending phone: send. Choose photos, select pictures, and tap send. Select the receiving device, accept the transfer, and keep both on the same Wi-Fi until done.